What's up, everybody? Ben here. I'm going to put the body and fuel tank back on this thing, and wheels and tires. So nothing real hard here. Just kind of running through whatever it takes to get those on using factory hardware. This is nothing hard, but I can't remember 100% what the routing was on these types of things. I just kind of got a zip tie hanging on this cable for now. I'm just kind of sitting here and going to just go for it. It's got a little piece here. I think that goes here or something. I'm not 100% sure. There's this little hood. So that's all. Just gonna put the body back on. Gas tank first, and then bolt up some new wheels and tires. These are Alba bead locks, and front and rear with some new ITP hole shot tires. And I'm gonna set this thing on the ground. I've got some loose wires as well. Not really I'm not planning on putting headlights back on, and so I'm gonna get the body back on, and then I'll kind of zip tie these things up. Some of these, like one of these, plugs into the key, the factory key. Then there's another one that plugs into this. There's a neutral light in the hood. So some of those things I'm just gonna plug back in, and then I will zip tie the rest, just kind of up and out of the way. I don't intend to put headlights back on this. And yeah. Oh, also I'm going to put a couple cotter pins in. I don't have cotter pins in my steering, my castle nuts down here. So the bottom of that, the steering cotter pins, I have torqued them. I just don't have the cotter pins in. So just kind of some little random things. Then I'm going to get it on the ground. I have not had the first fire up of this. I did rejet the carb and put this exhaust pipe on. And I have not filled up the brakes with brake fluid and bled those. And I need to adjust all the alignment, of course, because these arms have lots of adjustment in them. So, and the steering toe and whatnot. I'm just trying to get it on the ground. I need to kind of back it up and get it out of my way, because I'm going to start working on my YXZ. Finally got some parts I needed for it. So here we go. Okay, here we are. Got it on the ground. It's funny how big those tires look. They're only like 1 inch bigger rear tires than factory, but they look massive. So I don't know, maybe I'll have to drop to smaller tires in the back, but either way, here we go. Obviously got to align the arms up front. The wheels are towed and cambered all wrong. There's adjustment for that in the A-arms. The routing here, I'm confident that this is not long enough. So I don't know if I need to route that differently or if I need to get a longer clutch cable, because it looks tight already. And then when you turn hard, I think it's going to pull. So it feels too tight. But this is a +1 steering stem, so it is slightly longer. But I don't know, maybe I need to get a longer clutch cable. I'll look into that. I've got to do all the adjustments and fluids and stuff like that. It has no brake fluid in it. So I got to put brake fluid front and rear, bleed the brakes. I haven't even started it, so I need to turn on the gas, try to start it up. I need to adjust the alignment, like I said. I have not replaced the front sprocket yet and put the chain on, so I got to do that. And then you're supposed to actually break in the muffler. It has, you know, fiberglass packing in there, and you're not supposed to just hop on and go. There's a break in to it. And then I've got to tie up some of these wires. I'm confident that the wire routing is acceptable, but it's not perfect, so I'm gonna have to deal with that and then tie up these extra wires I did not use. So the main thing is it's on the ground. All the hard parts are on it, and I can kind of roll it out of my way for now. I hate to just put it in the corner and not finish it immediately, all the 100%, but I'm under a time pressure problem, and I'm supposed to have my drag car ready for a special event in 5 days. So I've received my parts for that, and I got to get it together. That's it for this part. This is just reassembly of the body and putting the new wheels and tires on for the Raptor 250. And really, I'm just going to put the chain and sprocket on, finish those things we just talked about, and go for a little shakedown ride. And that might be the next video, is a kind of a ride and first impressions. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content about the Raptor 250, along with some of the other things that we have going on at the shop. Thanks for watching.